What's up my dudes, and welcome back to a brand new diecast unboxing video. Today we have an awesome Matchbox haul to unbox and check out right now. I just got back from Walmart and I just got a huge score. So we're going to jump right into the video and we're going to start with the super fast. Check this out. We got an 03 AMG 6x6 in a super fast package here. Super sick. That's what it should be called. I'm amped. Let's go ahead and crack it open and let's check it out. Alright, let's check out the box really quick, since I know a lot of people don't really care about these too much. Yeah, not much going on, just a cardboard box. But here is the awesome truck. Nice metallic blue paint, got a spare in the back, so we got 7 here. Now, these are actually rubber. With some really nice looking black wheels with a chrome lip. It is a plastic base, however. And a lot of super fast have like opening parts. I don't think this one does though. It almost looks like that might pop down, but no. Nope, no opening parts on this one. Still though, it looks really nice. I'm stoked to add it to the collection. Very cool. Alright, so there's that one. Let's see, next one up, we got another super fast. This time we have Z-Car. This is a 82 280 ZX. Stoked, I had to grab this one, of course, being a Japanese car fan. There we go, once again, we got this little box. Very neat, 82 280. And here's the car. Really interesting rims. We got some white mesh rims with a gold lip. Really cool tampo. Oh, those taillights look super authentic. It even says Datsun 280ZX. Got a tan interior. Got some T-tops. Let's see, I think these doors open. Ooh, they do, but they're super tight. There we go. You can see the interior a little bit better. Let's see if the other side is as tight. Yes, it is. My goodness. There we go. And there we can see the tan interior a little bit better. Again, rubber tires. It's a little bit heavier, but I still think that's plastic. Yep, definitely a good looking car. And let's see, both of these roll pretty well. Oh wow, especially this one. Awesome. Alright, so those are the two super fast. Let's do these truck series. We got us a Skyjacker branded 17 Ford Super Duty F350 with a camper shell, which I think is pretty cool. Let's see, here's the other vehicles in the truck series, just in case you hadn't seen them. Alright, and out comes our truck. Here we go. Oh, another spare. Yeah, these wheels and tires look great on this lifted truck. Here's a little bit more light, just in case. Very good looking. Skyjacker suspension. I'm thinking about getting some Skyjacker shocks for my Yukon. Side view mirrors, which is great. Oh, I forgot to mention, but this one does have side view mirrors. The Datsun does not. No details up front whatsoever, which is a shame. Or in the back. There's our black plastic base. And I don't think there's an interior either, because these are just straight up black windows. But it's still pretty cool. I like it. Let's put it right there. Let's see, next one up in the truck series, we got us a Willys Jeep pickup 4x4. That one's pretty neat. Yeah, but I found a whole bunch of cool Matchbox today. Well, I guess we already looked at 2/3 of it, but I also found some cool Hot Wheels. So I'm going to save those for a separate video. There we go. Yeah, here we go. They really should have put side view mirrors on this one. It looks kind of funny without them. Well, we got nice blue paint, got some mud stains, got some nice chromy wheels. Very cheap looking plastic base. And honestly, not much going on with this one. Kind of a bland model, to be honest with you. Oh well. That's still kind of cool, I guess. So there's those ones. Two trucks are two super fast, and now let's get into my favorite. So stoked to find these. The scalpers, they want big bucks for these on eBay. And I agree that they're cool, obviously. I really like them, but I'm not going to spend 20 bucks for a $5 car. But, that being said, let's go ahead and crack it open, and let's check it out. These are the Matchbox collectors, as it says right there on the box. Mercedes-Benz G500 Cabrio. Cool little wireframe. Yeah, again, not much going on there. Let's check out the truck. Well, surprisingly lightweight, but it's still very nice. Really nice flat black paint. Very, very cool. Benz logo looks nice. Headlights look good. The rims and tires look really nice. Look really authentic. Got another spare back there. Some taillights. Black interior. We got some side view mirrors, which is awesome. Does anything open on this one? Yeah, looks like the hood opens. Oh, we got us a little bit of engine detail. Hope you guys can see it okay. Awesome. Very, very cool. Yeah, this one is really great. Stoked to have this one. And keeping with the G-Wagon theme, I also was able to find this one. A 550. This time in gold. Pretty wild. Let's look at the back. I didn't look at the back of the other one. Let's see here. So we got the two Benzes, and that's probably all I really want. I mean, I guess I'd pick up the Grand Prix if I saw it, but... And honestly, probably the GMC Senior Cruiser. That's kind of cool, too. But yeah, these are neat. I'm really glad I found this on the peg. There actually was a bunch of these. Like, I think they just put them out. Just lucked out. There's the box one more time. Whoop-de-whoop. And here is the awesome gold benzo. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. All the way around. I think these are the same rims, just painted differently. Yep. Really nice casting. Does the hood open on this one? No, nothing opens on this one that I can tell, which is a bummer. Oh well, has rubber tires, and that's really nice. And that awesome gold paint. Beautiful models. Stoked on these. Awesome. I mean, I gotta be honest. I've had some cars that I've been meaning to open up and review on the channel for a while now, but I just keep finding more cool stuff that I want to open first. So I'm gonna say it now. That way I have to do it. That's the way I'm committed. But next video I'm gonna open up two 124 scale square bodies, some C10s. So now I've said it, so I have to do it. I'm committed. I've had them for weeks. I picked them up at that car show that I was at like over a month ago. But yeah, anyway, that was the video, guys. Thank you very much for hanging with me on this Monday afternoon. If you are new to my channel, my name is J-Dog, and I post diecast videos about 2 or 3 times a week, more or less. And if you're into collecting diecast vehicles, please subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to elbow drop the like button, and I'll catch you dudes next time.